Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. A widow is the most unfortunate person during the time of Jesus. Why? Because they live in a patriarchal society. And because of that, wives were not asked to work. So they were dependent on their husband for a living. Therefore, they were not able to save any amount of money. And part of the patriarchal society, when the husband dies, the widow does not receive any inheritance, but rather everything went to their children. So therefore, a widow, not only he lost her husband, but above all, she has no money, no savings, and no inheritance. That's why in our gospel reading today, Jesus praised the widow, that in spite that he was poor, he was able to give to other people. What can we learn from our gospel reading today in terms of generosity? Three things to remember. Number one, generosity is all about sacrifice, not surplus. Remember, generosity is about sacrifice, not surplus. I remember I was able to see in the TikTok that there were people who were giving old clothings to the victims of the typhoon. And lo and behold, makatawa ka kay ang gihatag wedding gown. Kinsa may musulob ana? Most often, especially these days when calamities have been experiencing by all of us, we tend to give what is surplus. Katong di na masulob, katong di na magamit. But generosity means that what is so dear to us, we give it. What is so special to us, meaning what is part of us, that's what we give. And that is the essence of generosity. Number two, generosity is about the heart, not the amount. There's a saying which says, it is the thought that counts. Bahala naggamay, basta kinasing-kasing. And thirdly, generosity is what is meaningful, not convenience. We often give ourselves, we often give our time whenever we are convenient, not when we are asked to go out from our comfort zones. For example, now, the Lord is, I'm sure, very happy because I know that during our lunch break, instead of spending some minutes resting, taking a nap, you're attending Mass. That is very laudable because we really go out of our comfort zone. Even if we are inconvenient, we give what is part of us. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, remember that generosity is all about sacrifice, not surplus. It is about the heart, not the amount. It is what is meaningful, not convenience.